Apple Compressor is a great tool to convert media files to other formats. A great way to use Compressor is to create droplets. Droplets are automated compressor shortcuts that make using Compressor drag and drop easy. To create a droplet in Compressor, first select the setting you wish to create a droplet of. Second, click the Save Selection as Droplet button. Next, give the droplet a name. Select the location where you would like to save it. And last of all, where you want the files created by the droplet to be saved. Leaving this set at source will send the created files back to the folder that the file you sent to the droplet came from. I suggest designing your droplets with the destination of the droplet results as source, because you can always change it later. I like to keep a compressor folder in my user folder and keep in it droplets of all the frequently used settings, and more importantly, combinations of settings. When I say combinations of settings, I refer to a droplet that has multiple settings assigned to it. A perfect example is duplicating the DVD Best Quality 90-minute setting folder, and then duplicating both the Apple TV and iPod settings. Once all these settings are in the custom folder, you can rename the DVD Best Quality 90-minute setting folder, add the Apple TV and iPod settings to the folder, and make a droplet. To use a droplet, simply drag a file or files on top of the droplet and release. This will bring up the Droplet Editor window, and this is when you can reassign the destination of the droplet results, as well as change what name the file will be saved as, or even add more settings to the batch. When ready, click Submit twice, and the files will begin to be processed. In the compressor preferences, you can set the batch monitor to auto-launch as soon as a batch is submitted. Now just wait. A perfect time to use a droplet is when bringing media off a file-based recording system. From a flip video camera to a Canon 5D, the recorded media is not what we want in Final Cut Pro, so we need to convert it to something else, typically one of the ProRes flavors. Here I have the media from my new flip camera. Highlight the clips, and add them all to the Apple ProRes 422 droplet, and let Compressor go to work. Introducing droplets into your workflow will only make life easier. In our 4-day Final Cut class, we cover Compressor, as well as other applications in the Final Cut Studio. Visit Genius DV for all your training needs.